Islam Makhachev and Khabib Nurmagomedov are two of the most legendary fighters in MMA. कुछ फैंस को लगता है कि खबीब लाइटवेट डिवीजन के ही नहीं बल्कि पूरे स्पोर्ट के गोट हैं एंड दे लुक एट इस्लाम एज हिज प्रोटेजे, बट इन दिस वीडियो आई विल बी एक्सप्लेनिंग व्हाई इस्लाम मखाचेव इज वे बेटर देन खबीब. Firstly, let's see what would have happened if they fought. Islam is a southpaw whereas Khabib is an orthodox fighter. They are basically identical in height and reach, and इस वीडियो के लिए let's assume that both of them are 32. Now, let's compare their style. Khabib is one of the most dominant grapplers of all time. उनका base combat sambo में है, which is one of the most well-rounded grappling arts as it includes techniques from wrestling, judo and jiu-jitsu. उनकी कार्डियो बहुत अच्छी थी as he would relentlessly pressure his opponents and keep shooting takedowns. Once he did take his opponents down, he could control them effortlessly. उनका सबमिशन गेम और ग्राउंड एंड पाउंड बहुत अच्छा था एंड ही वाज एब्सोल्युटली ह्यूज फॉर द लाइटवेट डिवीजन व्हिच गेव हिम अ सिग्निफिकेंट स्ट्रेंथ एडवांटेज ओवर हिज ओपोनेंट्स. उनकी स्ट्राइकिंग काफी अनऑर्थोडॉक्स थी बट इट वाज इफेक्टिव एज ही वाज वेरी गुड एट गेटिंग हिज ओपोनेंट्स टू द केज व्हिच इज वेयर हिज ग्रैपलिंग रियली ओपनड अप. Also, because his opponents were always afraid of getting taken down, he could use his grappling threat to land good strikes on his opponents. On the other hand, Islam Makhachev is one of the most well-rounded fighters in the history of MMA. उनका बेस भी ग्रैपलिंग में ही है and he possesses somewhat similar skills to Khabib. What separates Islam and Khabib in my opinion is their striking. Islam Makhachev is a world-class striker and he has beaten some of the best strikers in the history of MMA. उन्होंने वोल्कानोव्स्की को उनकी पहली फाइट में ग्रैपलिंग से नहीं बट उनकी स्ट्राइकिंग से हराया था. He has a great kicking game as he knocked Volk out with a head kick in their rematch, and his boxing is great too as he outboxed Dustin Poirier in a few rounds of their fight. I think if Khabib and Islam were to fight, Islam's grappling would be good enough to defend Khabib's grappling and Islam would be able to outstrike Khabib to win a decision. If we compare their resume, it's not even close. Islam Makhachev has a way better resume than Khabib. काफी लोगों को लगता है that because Khabib undefeated थे, he is way better than Islam, but that is not true. Islam has one loss and that was very early in his career. He got knocked out by Adriano Martins and I think that loss was one of the best things that could have happened to him as उसके बाद उनकी striking defense बहुत अच्छी हो गई. Khabib never lost because he never fought anybody that could exploit his weaknesses, which is why he never really learned how to fix them. ऊपर से Khabib का 29-0 रिकॉर्ड सुनने में काफी impressive है, but only 13 of those wins were in the UFC. UFC से पहले he fought a lot of low-level fighters who had a losing record. In his 14th professional fight, he was literally fighting somebody that was making his professional debut. जब वो UFC के अंदर भी आ गए, he did have some good wins like Edson Barboza and Rafael dos Anjos, but he won the title by beating Al Iaquinta. उसके बाद he fought Conor McGregor, Dustin Poirier and Justin Gaethje that are three of his biggest wins. If we compare this to Islam Makhachev, Islam beat Dan Hooker, Drew Dober and Bobby Green to get to the title. He submitted Charles Oliveira, who is the greatest submission artist in UFC history, to win the title. He defended it twice against the greatest featherweight of all time in Alexander Volkanovski. Then he submitted Dustin Poirier and काफी लोग कहते हैं कि खबीब को कम टाइम लगा डस्टिन को फिनिश करने में इसलिए वो बेटर है, but that's not really how it works. John Jones robbed Dominic Reyes and went to a decision with him, but Ryan Spann knocked him out in the first round. अब obviously इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी हुआ कि Ryan Spann John Jones से better है. After that, Islam Makhachev submitted Renato Moicano with ease and अब he is going to move up to the welterweight division which Khabib did not do. Overall, Islam has beat way better fighters than Khabib and has faced more well-rounded fighters than Khabib. खबीब ने अपने करियर में उतने अच्छे ग्रैपलर्स फेस नहीं करे, whereas Islam has fought several black belts and made them look like white belts. इस वीडियो से मैं खबीब की बुराई नहीं करना चाहता. He is an absolute legend and he has had a huge impact on MMA, but he retired at just 32 years old. अगर वो ज्यादा देर तक रहते, he could have been one of the greatest fighters of all time, but at the same time, if he fought some of Islam's opponents like Charles Oliveira and Alexander Volkanovski, or a well-rounded fighter from his era like Tony Ferguson, one of them would have given him a tough fight or maybe even beat him. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज लाइक करना मत भूलना and let me know if you agree or disagree with my takes in the comments. Thanks for watching.